How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes, and today we've got for sale this beautiful BMW S1000R Sport 2014 on a 64 plate, and it's done 11,224 miles. Really nice bike of these. I've owned one of these myself and I noticed how good they are. They claimed 160 brake horsepower and they're actually not far off that at the rear wheel. This one's lovely. You've got the taller MRA screen on there. You've got the bar-in mirrors as well. We do have the standard mirrors and the standard little screen for it. It's also got a radiator, an oil cooler guard, and it's got a little bit of MotoGrafix protection just on the front of the bike. Other than that, it's more or less all standard. In standard, you do get a lot of parts on these. You do get heated grips. You get different power modes, which I'll just show you on the display there, look. So you've got rain, road, dynamic, and you've got dynamic pro, so it's got the red chip in it as well. Electronic adjustable suspension, traction control, ABS, and a quick shifter. So you'll come round this side, you'll just see how lovely and clean it is. These use a fly-by-wire throttle as well, so they're really nice and smooth. That's your quick shifter right there, really nice and easy to use. And it's also got the pillion pack on it, so you've got the pegs and the seat as well. Right, we'll give it a fire up. Even the standard exhauster do sound fantastic. And there you go, they sound just as good as they look. Naked bikes are selling quick, so if you do want this one be quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, give us a call and get your name on it before someone else does. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.